Welcome back to another video. Today we are discussing on the comprehensive review session of Betterment. 1. Introduction to Betterment. Betterment is one of the leading robo-advisors in the financial industry, offering automated, goal-based investing. Founded in 2008, Betterment was one of the first companies to bring robo-advising to the mainstream, making it easier and more affordable for people to invest in a diversified portfolio. With Betterment, you get access to sophisticated financial planning and investment management, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional financial advisors. 2. How Betterment works. Betterment's approach to investing is centered around automation and simplicity. When you sign up, Betterment asks you about your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, a major purchase, or just building wealth. Based on your answers, Betterment creates a personalized portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Your portfolio is made up of low-cost, diversified ETFs that are regularly rebalanced to maintain your desired asset allocation. Betterment also offers features like automatic dividend reinvestment and tax loss harvesting, which can help boost your returns over time. 3. Low fees and pricing structure. One of Betterment's biggest advantages is its low-cost structure. Betterment charges an annual management fee of 0.25% for its digital plan, which includes portfolio management, goal tracking, and customer support. For those who want additional features like access to financial advisors, Betterment offers a premium plan at 0.40% per year. This plan includes unlimited access to Betterment's team of certified financial planners and advice on more complex financial situations, such as retirement planning or tax strategies. With no minimum balance requirement for the digital plan, Betterment is accessible to investors of all levels. 4. Tax efficiency and smart features. Betterment is designed with tax efficiency in mind, offering tools that can help you minimize your tax burden. One of the standout features is tax loss harvesting, which automatically sells losing investments to offset gains in other areas, reducing your taxable income. Betterment also offers a feature called Smart Deposit, which automatically invests excess cash from your checking account once your balance reaches a certain threshold. These features are aimed at maximizing your investment returns while minimizing your tax liability, helping you keep more of what you earn. 5. Financial planning and goal setting. Betterment goes beyond just investing, it also helps you plan for your financial future. The platform allows you to set specific financial goals, like saving for a home, retirement, or a rainy day fund, and tracks your progress toward these goals. Betterment's algorithms continually adjust your portfolio to keep you on track, ensuring that you're making the most of your money. For those seeking personalized advice, Betterment's premium plan offers access to certified financial planners who can provide guidance tailored to your unique financial situation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Betterment's goal-oriented approach makes it easy to plan for and achieve your financial aspirations. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.